All I hear is raindrops falling on the rooftop. Oh, baby, tell me why you had to go. 'Cause this pain I feel it won't go away today. I'm officially missing you. Ooh, ain't nobody do it like you. Said every little thing you do. Hey, baby, says things on my mind. And I'm officially missing you. Good evening. Good evening. I can't hear you. Please unmute.
This year.
Yes. Did you get another haircut?
Yeah, my mom cut this to like because
Oh, okay. It's flying away. It's flying away sometimes. The opposite. Mm, because it seems like it got shorter. So, yes, you did. You had another haircut. Just today, this morning?
uh yesterday.
Oh, okay. And are you fine now? Your mom said you were quite tired yesterday.
Yeah, I learned to so much.
Oh, did you have a headache?
Yeah.
Mhm. Did you sleep early?
Ai mà bữa
What's that? Did you sleep early?
10
Okay.
o'clock.
Okay. And do you have a question for me?
Uh, what did you do yesterday? Yesterday. What did you do?
Uh-huh. What did?
What did you do yesterday?
Uh-huh. I packed up my things. Remember, I told you that I'm in the countryside. We are going back to the city tonight. I packed my things yesterday until today. Ready to fly. Going back home. That's it. Anything else?
No, I don't.
Okay. Shall we start now?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going back to Solutions Elementary Unit 0B. We have finished this one. It's about be verbs are, is, we are now going to have and have got. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, there you go. I haven't checked your homework. I'll try to see it tomorrow morning if I feel better because our travel must be very tiring. Okay, have versus have got. Number one, when do we use have got?
We use have got to talk about the thing we
Possess.
possess.
Yes. Look at the example. You can use have or have got. Please read.
I have got a new mobile phone.
Yeah, and I've got a new mobile phone, something that we own, something that you have. Example, I've got a laptop. Your turn. Make a sentence using I've got. Something that you have, something that you own. What have you got?
Mm, I
I've got
I I've got
something.
uh, a new teddy.
New. What is it?
A new teddy.
Okay, a new stuffed toy. Okay. Remember, if it's something that you have, something that you own, that means possess. We use have got. I've got a laptop. I've got some new books. Anything that you've got. Okay. When else do we use have got?
Mm, we talk about relationships with other people.
Yes, we can use has or have got, but in the British English, they usually use with the word got. Okay, so this time we were going to use that. Look at the example. Jane has got a brother. So, who is, oh, wait, remember it's about relationships. Family, maybe, it could be a family. We use have got. My turn. I've got 2 sisters. I've got a small family. Your turn. Talk about your family. Use have got.
I've got one baby sister and one brother.
Yes, that's it. Remember, when you talk about relationships like family, we use have got. But look, let's talk about someone else, not me, not you. Example, it's about Jane. How many brothers has Jane got?
Uh, Jane have has got a brother.
Yes. How about your mom? Has she got brothers?
Uh, she she she's got two sisters, two small sisters.
Oh, she's got
She's
2
the biggest.
sisters. Yes.
She's the biggest.
Oh, she's the oldest. Eldest, sorry. Eldest. Okay. So if she is the firstborn, she's the firstborn, she's the first one, she's the eldest. And have you noticed if it's not about I, it's not about you, it's about someone else, like a name of a place or name of a person, we use has got. I've got. You've got. She has got. Okay. Do you have any questions, Lynn?
No.
No. Later, we will practice more to make sure that you understand each one of them. Okay. Next, when else do we use have got?
To talk about sneakers for temporary
Oh, wait,
state.
you missed one.
To talk about what we look like.
Yes, when you describe how you look like, we use have got. My turn. I've got brown hair. small nose, and big mouth. I've got. Your turn. Describe how you look like using have got. You can choose your hair, your body,
I
eyes.
I have got a short hair.
Yes, I've got short hair. Okay. Next, look at the example. Would you please read the example, the sentence, talking about what she looks like?
She's got blue eyes.
Yes. So when the subject is she, he, it, we use has got. Okay, next one. When do we use has got? I've got, have got, sorry. Have got or has got.
To talk about sickness or temporary state.
Yes, sickness. Can you name some sickness? Just common sickness.
I think
Ow.
headache, stomach
Ow.
ache.
Yes, we use have got. I've got, look at the example. I've got a cold. How about you? What happened to you yesterday? What have you got?
I've got a cold.
You did have a cold yesterday?
No. This day
Yeah.
I had got
I
headache.
had. Oh, my question is about yesterday, so maybe we can use had. Okay. I had a headache. Okay. So you see, we can use have or have got. But some countries prefer have, some prefer have got. Okay, so we can also use have, has, or just had. Okay, remember when it's about sickness, we use have got. Next, when don't we use have got? We don't use it.
Use have, not have got to talk about things we do, meals, holiday.
Yes, if it's an action, we use have, not have got. Look at the example. I have a cup of coffee. That means what did she do?
I've a cup of tea at 7 o'clock.
Yes, that means she or he drinks coffee at 7. So that is an action. That is drinking. So we use have. My turn. I have a class every night. I have a lesson every night. Your turn. Talk about something that you do using have.
I have I have bottle of water.
What is it?
Bottle of water.
When?
At 7 o'clock.
Yes, because if it's just I have a bottle of water, okay, that could also be. But remember, if it's something that you possess, it's something that you own, usually we use have got. Okay, but it's also right. We can also use have. Okay, next. When else do we use just have?
We don't use got in short answer.
Yes, if the answer is just as short as this one, we just use have or haven't or has, hasn't. Example, have you got a dog?
No, I haven't.
Can we say no, I haven't got?
No,
No. Mhm. But sometimes we can also say, no, I haven't got any. I haven't got. I've heard that one before. But if it's short, that is when we don't put got. But if you're gonna make a long answer, it could be. You can use have got. Okay. Next example. Have you got a pet, Lynn?
no, I haven't.
Okay, there you go. Now let's go to the exercise. Complete the learn box. What do we put? Have or has? For affirmative. Okay.
Are you with a have?
Have. Okay. Next.
He, she, it has got.
Yes. Okay. For negative.
Negative. Are you with a haven't got?
Haven't
He,
got.
she, it has
Hasn't.
hasn't
It's
not
got a Z sound. Hasn't.
hasn't.
Yes. Okay. Hasn't. And for questions, interrogatives.
Have
Have.
I you with a got?
Uh-huh. You can say it faster if it's followed by a vowel sound. Have I? Have I? Have I? Put them together. Have I?
Have I?
Uh-huh. Put them together. Have I?
Have I?
Yes. Remember, if it's the last sound of the word is a consonant and the next one is a vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonant followed by a vowel. Put them together. Okay. You put them together to sound more native. Have I? You can do it on the other things. Have you noticed when we speak on our own language, like for example, when you speak Vietnamese, you speak very fast. You sometimes put words together. Have you noticed? You speak fast in Vietnamese.
Have I?
Yes, I mean in your language. You can speak fast, right?
Yes.
Yes, same with English. You will sound more native if you speak faster and put words together. Have I got? Have I got? Has she got? Okay. Next time I will emphasize that thing. Next, for short answers, what's the negative form of this one?
Yes, I have. No, I haven't.
Yes, has, hasn't. Okay, I think you know that one. There you go. Next one, complete the sentences with the correct form of have got, affirmative or negative. It's up to you if it will be affirmative or negative because you will make them true for you. it happens to you. Okay, so it's up to you if it's affirmative or negative. Let's take a look at number 1.
I have got 2 brothers.
Have you?
No.
No.
Haven't.
Okay,
Haven't.
try again.
I haven't got 2 brothers.
Yeah, so it's now true to you. You haven't got 2 brothers. Number 2.
We haven't a man. We haven't got a math lesson next.
Okay, next. Number 3.
Our teacher hasn't got short hair.
Yes. Number 4.
I haven't
Got.
blue eyes.
Number 5.
Our teachers have got a big teacher's room.
They have?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Next task. It's a listening task. Listen and tick the things that Joe and Amy have got. Can you write on the screen? You're going to put a tick. Example, you've heard that Joe has got a pet. You are going to put a tick here. Or maybe here, 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 or both. They could have both. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go one by one.
Introduction Unit. Lesson B. Exercise 7.
Hi, Joe. Have you got a pet?
Yes, I have. I've got a dog. His name is Ricky.
Ricky? That's a nice name.
What about you, Amy? Have you got a pet?
No, I haven't. Is that your skateboard? It's really nice.
Oh, thanks.
I haven't got a skateboard, but I've got a bike.
I haven't got a bike.
That's a nice smartphone.
Thanks. It's new. A birthday present from my parents. Have you got a smartphone too?
No, I haven't. My phone is really old. It isn't a smartphone.
My computer is really old.
Is it a laptop?
No, it's...
Wait, or do you have some checks on you? It's just about Joe and Amy.
Oh.
Is it about you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Save it for later because I need to erase them next. So I will ask you to put them later, okay? Okay. I thought I've seen it wrong. Wait, where are we? Okay, next one.
It isn't. Have you got a laptop?
Yes, I have. Oh, what's the time? Have you got a watch?
Yes, I have. It's 12:30. Where's your watch?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's here, in my bag. Come on, it's maths now with Mr. Brown. We're late.
Okay, now I'm gonna let you listen for one last time to check your answers.
Oh, why I
Introduction.
check
Yes.
I put a stick. What is erase?
What is it?
When I put the stick
Oh,
under.
put text only to Joe and Amy's column here. Just here, Joe and Amy. We are going to put hours later. You can say you and your teacher. Okay. Let's listen for one last time so you can check your answers, okay?
Unit. Lesson B. Exercise 7.
Hi, Joe. Have you got a pet?
Yes, I have. I've got a dog. His name is Ricky.
Ricky? That's a nice name.
What about you, Amy? Have you got a pet?
No, I haven't. Is that your skateboard? It's really nice.
Thanks.
I haven't got a skateboard, but I've got a bike.
I haven't got a bike.
That's a nice smartphone.
Thanks. It's new. A birthday present from my parents. Have you got a smartphone too?
No, I haven't. My phone is really old. It isn't a smartphone.
My computer is really old.
Is it a laptop?
No, it isn't. Have you got a laptop?
Yes, I have. Oh, what's the time? Have you got a watch?
Yes, I have. It's 12:30. Where's your watch?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's here.
Okay, you found all the answers. Congratulations. I can't hear you, dear. Okay. Now we are going to talk about your answers. Here, there's one. Let me remove our drawings. Okay. Can you talk about what Joe has got? And the things he hasn't got. Look at the pattern. Joe's
Joe
got
got a pet,
Mhm.
a skateboard, smartphone, and watch.
Mhm.
He hasn't got laptop and bike.
Yes. How about Amy? What has she got and she hasn't got?
She has got bike, laptop, and watch. She hasn't got a pet, a skateboard, a smartphone.
And a smartphone. Okay, perfect. So now we know how to use has and have got when we talk about what we own, what we possess. Okay, now it's our turn. We're going to put a tick on things we have, and we have skip the columns we haven't got. Go. Put yours too. Okay. Put yours too on you. Wow. Okay. Let's talk about our possessions. Talk about the things you've got and you haven't got. Go.
I ask you.
Yes, you. Talk about yourself.
I have got a skateboard, a bike, a smartphone, and a laptop. I haven't got a pet and a watch.
Okay, my turn. Oh, wait, ask me. Ask me one by one. So we are going to practice making questions.
Have you got a pet?
No, I haven't.
Have you got a skateboard?
No, I haven't.
Have you got a bike?
Yes, I have.
Have you got a smartphone?
Yes, I have.
Have you got a laptop?
Yes, I have.
Have you got a watch?
Yes, I have. Okay. Next task. Okay, articles. Hello? I can't hear you. Can you hear me? You were gone? Okay, you're back. Grammar. Articles. But first, okay, let's listen to the conversation. And as you listen and as you read, answer the question where Olivia's pencil case is. Okay? Are you ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Introduction Unit. Lesson D. Exercise 2.
Have you got a pencil and an eraser?
I've got a pencil, but I haven't got an eraser. The pencil is on my desk.
Thanks. Have you got a coloured pen?
No, but I've got some coloured pencils.
What colours?
Red, blue, green, brown. Lots of colours. They're in my pencil case.
Is that your pencil case?
No, that's Gemma's. My pencil case is in my school bag. Hang on. Oh no, it's at home. Sorry.
Okay. First, tell me, what has Olivia got? What has Olivia got?
She has got a pencil.
Again, please. She,
She has got a pencil.
pencil. What else? Find them all, please.
Pencil case, colored pen,
Has she
Colored
got colored
pencil.
pens?
pencil, colored pencil.
Colored pencils and a pencil case. The pencil and the colored pencils are in the pencil case. Now, how about the things she hasn't got?
She hasn't got an eraser.
An eraser and
And
she's got colored pencils. How about the ones she hasn't got? Look at Charlie's question. You can find it there if she has or hasn't.
colored pen.
Colored pens. She hasn't got colored pens. Where is Olivia's pencil case?
Her pencil case is in her home.
Yes, it's at home. She forgot to bring it at school. Okay. Next, let's learn about the articles. What are articles? I've said this when we are still in KET, but they're not very clear because grammar is not included in KET. Some of the articles are a, an, the, some. These are some of the articles. Do you recognize them?
Yeah.
Now, when do we use the?
Use the are we use with a singular and plural nouns.
What is singular? How many is that? Singular, single.
Many and one.
One. Plural. How many is that?
Plural.
How much is that? Singular, single is one. Plural is?
Many.
Yes, two or more. Okay, so we can use the for both singular and plural. And look at the first part of the explanation. It says it's the definite article. Definite article. What does that mean? I prepared a picture for us to see so we will know what's a definite article. Where is it? Here. Okay. This is a better explanation of when to use a, an, or the. Again, can you look for a word synonymous to definite in this box? When do we use the? Definite.
Specific object.
Yes, specific. It's not just any object, it's specific. It's this one. Look at the example. Would you please kindly read it?
Can you give me the books on the table?
Which books? You can find it on the sentence. Which books? The ones where?
Which book?
Which books? Which books do you want?
I want the
On the?
the book on the table.
Yay! So you see, I need a specific book. I need specific books, the ones on the table, not just any kind of books. It's the books, a specific books, okay? And look at a and an. Would you please read? Oh, when do we use a or an?
Not specific. Are one of several things are similar
Yes.
type.
Look at the example so we can understand better. Please read.
I need a phone.
Which phone? Does it say which phone?
No.
No, because it's not specific. It could be any kind of phone. See? We use a or an for non-specific things, while we use the if we both know, the speaker and the listener know which one. The books on the table. Which phone? We don't know. We use a. I need a phone. Give me the books on the table. See the difference?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, when else do we use? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next picture. I'm gonna show it to you. When do we use an? An. When do we use an instead of a?
When the next one starts with a vowel.
Vowel.
Vowel sounds.
Can you tell me the 5 vowels? A.
O,
O. Okay.
A, U,
U.
E, I,
Yes. A, E, I, O, U. Those are vowels. Okay, remember. What are consonants? These are consonants. The letters aside from A, E, I, O, U are consonants. Okay? Okay, let's go back to an. It says when it's got a vowel sound, we use an. Let's look at the example. An apple. Your turn. Can you hear me?
an orange.
Yes. So the next word is has got a vowel sound. But look at this. Why do we use an in here?
An egg.
Look, I am here, down here. An hour. Why do we use an instead of a? But it's an H. It's a consonant. Why?
Is H is at the beginning of hour. Is silent.
Silent. We don't read it. So it starts with a consonant sound or a vowel sound. Listen, hour. Consonant, sound, or vowel sound. Hour.
The U at the beginning of university sound like you.
No, I'm still in hour.
Uh,
Listen, hour is the first letter sounds like a consonant or a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Hour.
hour.
Consonant sound or vowel sound? Hour.
Hour. Like O.
Yes. So it's a consonant or vowel sound?
Consonant. Vowel sound.
Sound. Remember, even if it's just the sound, not the spelling, but it's still a vowel sound, we use an. Okay, an hour. Look at the next example. Please read the word.
University.
What is the first sound?
U.
U. Is that a consonant sound or a vowel sound?
Vowel sound.
You, yeah, 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 yeah. You.
U.
You.
U. The
Consonant. It sounds like Y. Yeah, yeah, you. So we use a. We don't use an, though it starts with a vowel. What's important is the sound. The sound. Okay. A university, an hour. Okay. There you go. Now let's go back and see if we remember what we've learned just now. Gonna skip this one since I made another rule. Explanation. Underline all examples. Oh, wait, I forgot some. Sorry. Wait. When do we use some?
We use some to we use some to pronoun when we don't know or we don't want to say exactly how many.
Yes. Look at the example. Some pencils. Do you know how many they are? Do you know how many pencils?
Some pencils like we don't know.
Yes, we don't know. So if you don't want to say, or we don't know the exact number, we use some. Okay. So this is always followed by a plural noun. Remember, after some, we use a plural noun. Some pencils, some roller blades, plural. Remember, okay? Okay. And it's already time. Okay. I'm going to give a homework about this so you can practice what you have learned today. Okay. And what have we learned today? We learned about have got, has got. And we practice making answers using have or haven't, affirmative, negative, and interrogative. What are you doing? You're getting conscious with your hair, huh? Okay, dear, that would be all. Thank you so much and see you on Thursday.
Teacher,
Yes,
can you send me the picture of the grammars we learned?
sure, I will. Okay. Anything else?
No, I don't.
Which one do you want me to send? The pictures or the last one you've seen?
The picture are the grammars.
Okay, I'm gonna send them both. Okay. Good night.
Have a good night.
Thanks.
See you on Thursday.
Yes.